Are you a small YouTuber wondering how much money you can make off of YouTube in 2023? Well, in this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the earnings of small YouTubers and break down their income streams to give you an idea of what you can expect. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk all things YouTube and making money online. In this video, we're going to discuss how much small YouTubers can make off of YouTube in 2023. First off, let's define what we mean by small YouTubers. Typically, a small YouTuber is someone with less than 10,000 subscribers. While it may seem like an impossible feat to make money with a small following, it's actually quite possible. One of the most common ways small YouTubers make money is through ad revenue. YouTube pays its creators a portion of the revenue generated from ads played on their videos. The amount of money earned per ad view can vary depending on the industry, target audience, and advertiser budget. However, on average, small YouTubers can expect to earn around $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. Another way small YouTubers can make money is through brand deals and sponsorships. These are deals where brands pay YouTubers to create content featuring their products or services. The amount of money earned from brand deals can vary greatly, with some small YouTubers making a few $100s per deal, while others can make thousands. Lastly, small YouTubers can also make money through merchandise sales and Patreon subscriptions. By selling merchandise or offering exclusive content to Patreon subscribers, small YouTubers can create additional revenue streams and monetize their loyal audience. So there you have it, a breakdown of how much small YouTubers can make off of YouTube in 2023. While it may seem daunting to make money with a small following, there are still many ways to monetize your content and create a sustainable income stream. Don't give up, keep creating and working hard, and you may just see success sooner than you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.